If you're looking for a newer home in a family-friendly neighborhood with an attached garage, then this one might be for you. All right, let's check it out inside. Oh, this is a pretty nice entryway. We've got tile floors. You can see going upstairs, high ceilings, got the bathroom behind us there, and the hallway going into the rest of the house. Right in the front entryway, we've got the coat closet with double doors. They pull out, and you've got plenty of room for storage, plus a little bit of a bench down there for storing shoes or other things like that. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. It opens up into the kitchen, dining room, living room. I really like this kitchen. It's got quartz countertops, espresso cabinets. You've got the double sink, which is always a huge plus. You basically need that these days. The pull-out, also a must. Got all stainless steel appliances. Your dishwasher is right here below me. Over the range hood fan with the microwave built in, which is nice as well. Room for a big fridge, double door stainless steel fridge. Got the water and ice cube maker, a little bit more countertop space over here as well. And then coming on this way, we've got a walk-through pantry here on the right. And you've also got your mudroom here with a bench, great for putting on your shoes when you get home through your garage right behind me. Now we'll take a look at the dining room, which is just over here. Dining room or dinette, whatever you want to call it, comfortably fits a 4-person table. I suppose you could maybe make some 6-person tables fit, but it's more comfortable with a 4-person table. And in case I didn't mention it, there is laminate throughout this part of the house. Nice big open concept living room here. I've got the TV over there, so there's a lot of space in the middle. You could arrange this a few different ways. It doesn't have to be quite like this. Like, you could put the TV over here if you prefer, but right now they've got it set up for the TV on that side. On this back wall, we've got a big window here, a big window there, and then a window door that goes out onto the deck, and you can see the rest of your yard from there. All right, let's take a look at the deck and the yard. So coming out into the backyard, we got a nice decent sized deck here, more than enough room for a barbecue and a couple chairs. Decent sized yard, looking out behind you, and it's got everything you need for a backyard. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the house. Making our way back towards upstairs, there's a half bath over here. Convenient access for your guests. It's just off the front door. Can easily access it from the living room and kitchen. We'll go upstairs now and you can check out the main bath and the ensuite. All right, once we're upstairs, it opens directly into the bonus room area. Some floor plans have the bonus room at the front of the house over top of the garage, but other floor plans like to separate the master bedroom from the other bedrooms. Gives you a little bit more privacy from the children's bedrooms or the other bedrooms with the bonus room in the middle. This can work well as a TV room, playroom, library, or even a den. That's a good flex space that gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's take a look at the master. Now we're going into the master bedroom. Very large. You can see that they've got what looks like a king-size bed to me. We've got room for a nightstand on both sides, plus some. Big window overlooking the backyard. There's a walk-in closet over there we'll take a peek at. This is the master bathroom. Got his and her sinks, which is a must-have these days. Then you've got the tub shower combo. It's got a tile surround with a couple different styles of tile. Gives you a little bit of variety. Tile floor again. There's another window behind the door here. Very cozy master ensuite. Now we're gonna take a look at the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet has built-ins, so not only is it good for hanging up clothes, but you've also got built-in shelves so you can fold your clothes as well. And this is quite roomy, so it is bigger than average. It gives you a lot more space than the typical master closet. Let's take a look at the other bedrooms and the main bath. All right, but before we do that, wanted to give you a quick peek at the laundry. So the laundry is right here. You've got your washer and dryer with a little bit of a storage shelf above that. So you've got room for all your laundry stuff. All right. Then there's 2 more bedrooms up here. both decent sized bedrooms. These ones overlook the front of the house. Got a closet over there, enough room for a double or queen and a dresser or two. It's probably gonna be the same thing with this other bedroom here. This one doesn't have anything in it right now, so you'll have to use your imagination, but the same setup, you got a big window and a decent sized closet over there as well. These two bedrooms are conveniently located right next to the bathroom. This is the main bath. So you got quartz countertop in here, nice big mirror, got your lights up there, your toilet, and another tub shower combo. This one's got obviously a different type of tile, so it's not quite as nice as the one in the master suite, but it still has everything you need. So the basement on this house is unfinished, but let's take a look downstairs. And now we're in the basement. As you can see, it is unfinished, so you're gonna have to use your imagination. But in my mind, you got enough room for, you know, a bedroom, a rec room, or vice versa, bedroom, rec room. There's also rough-ins for a bathroom there. And of course, this house was built in like 2018, so you've got a pretty new furnace, hot water tank, you got your sump pump and everything, so all that stuff's gonna be modern. You're not gonna have to worry about plumbing. It's good to go. From the mudroom, you've got access to the single oversized garage, which as you can see, gives you room for one car and a bunch of stuff. The basement also has a separate side entrance, so it's ready to develop as a separate basement suite. You can make it a legal suite very easily since you've already got this separate entrance. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see this house in person, make sure to reach out to me at 780-819-5508. We can set up a time for you to view it, or if you've got an agent already, they know how to reach me and you can come see it in person. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.